So in your car we did a temperature switch. Let's see how it starts now. It started fine now, but let's just start up again. There you can see diagnostic is connected. Let me go into the ECU live so you can see while we're doing it. See if that fault is back on with the temperature switch. So temperature switch has two functions on these cars. On the new cars, different. On the older cars, it's called a duo sensor, right? It's also called yeah, see there, no fault came back. Lekker. So the short was in the switch, right? So this is twofold. The switch is called a temperature switch and a thermotime switch. Temperature, why? It shows you the temperature of the engine. Thermotime, a thermotime switch is a switch that controls fuel mixture depending on temperature. So whatever the temperature is, if it says the car is cold, it will give a certain amount of fuel. If it says the car is hot, it'll give it. You see, the time I worked at Barron's Kulenburg, I started there in 2002. So the 1998 models like this were still new. They had like 20,000, 60,000 servers. So you see, the guys that didn't work on the old cars, they won't know. They won't understand it. And today, every Dick, Tom and Harry thinks they know everything. But you know what? They don't have the specialized thing. So, but look, this is how you start on a car. You don't go to the most expensive throttle body and all this. You first start here. If it don't work, then you move on. You know. But there, so far, so good. We'll test it till it's hot. First, do other repairs.